Hi, today we're going to take a look at this Mowis retractable dog leash and also the things that are included in the package. We'll use it later at night to show off the LED flashlight. Let's see what's here in the box. Here we go. Here's everything that comes in the package. We've got the Mowis LED retractable dog leash, some extra button batteries, the dog bowl, and a waste bag dispenser, and there is a little set of waste bags inside there. It is clippable onto the dog leash itself, and it can be removed quite easily as well. The dog bowl clips on if needed right here at the top, and then the two can be taken together on a long walk. Let's explore the leash and see how it looks at night. This dog leash extends and retracts very easily. The big button at the top locks and unlocks this feature, while a halfway push temporarily locks the leash. To turn the LED light on and off, simply push the small button on the top of the leash. At some point, the original button batteries will need to be replaced. Open the little compartment at the top, pull out the cassette, and exchange the button batteries. Load the cassette back in the compartment and replace the cover when done. This silicone drinking bowl comes with a carabiner and is very convenient for hydrating your dog on a long walk. It compresses for convenience.
We're walking our dog with our new leash. As you can see, I've got the light on. I take my two dogs a couple times before we go to bed, so this is really needed, especially when they go to the bathroom. As you can see, it extends in and out. There's a button right here. I just have to push it, which locks it. And when I want to release it, I undo it that way.
This LED retractable leash is really perfect. My dog can do her business. We are able to actually see it in the dark and then use the disposable waste bags to pick it up. Thanks for listening and watching our video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.